From freshly harvested green papayas to a fine premium quality powder, here's how the transformation happens. The process begins with carefully selected raw green papayas sourced from trusted farms. Only fresh, mature, and high-quality fruits are chosen to ensure premium powder production. The harvested papayas undergo thorough washing to remove dirt, dust, and surface impurities, preparing them for further processing. The clean papayas are peeled and cut into uniform slices. Consistent sizing helps achieve efficient drying and maintains product quality. The sliced papayas are dried under carefully controlled temperatures. This critical step reduces moisture while helping preserve the fruit's natural characteristics. Once properly dried, the papaya slices are finely milled into powder using advanced grinding equipment to achieve a smooth texture. The powder passes through precision sieves to ensure uniform particle size. Advanced sterilization methods are then applied to ensure microbial safety without compromising bioactive content. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our organic green raw papaya fruit powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and exported worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. We are Medikonda Nutrients.